My name is Rich Alvarez. I'm the Director of Workforce Development at the Pinellas Ex-Offender Reentry Coalition. We have a program called STARS. It stands for Success Training and Retention Services. What it is a 3-week attitudinal and workforce development boot camp. It's a workforce simulator, so they have to show up on time. They punch a time clock. They're held accountable if they're late. They have to dress in business professional attire. They get resume writing skills, interview skills, but most importantly, what it works on is their attitude and how they project themselves when they go into the workforce. We've identified a couple of key industries like construction and manufacturing where you have an aging workforce that there's very little people replacing them. There's no skilled labor out there to fill the empty positions that are coming up.
When I got to see PERC in action for the first time, after we met here, he put me in front of his class, and I was just kind of blown away by the amount of community that's surrounding there. I left with fire. I could feel the energy in the room off of a whole bunch of people that just wanted to better themselves. They're fighting for that second chance, and they fight harder than anyone else I've met throughout this journey.
We're here at one of our transitional housing facilities where the tiny homes students are practicing some of the construction skills that they've learned at Pinellas Technical College as part of our construction trades program.
At Pinellas Technical College, we learn carpentry skills, going outside, building walls, trusses, basically learning how to build from the ground up.
They're also practicing to work for our Tiny Homes Corporation, which will be building tiny homes for homeless veterans in the near future.
We show up at 7:45, 15 minutes early. You know, that's the start.
Up here, since we're on the second story of this transitional men's home, we have cut out our underlayment so we can lay down our towel so it can become a sound barrier for downstairs.
We're really excited about the Tiny Homes project because this is really a great use of the city's money to help alleviate poverty, to help solve a social issue in the neighborhood down here. And we really look forward to getting the construction underway of the actual tiny homes to begin putting the rubber to the road, so to speak, so that our clients get to do something to give back to the community, and they acquire valuable skills, and then you have a disadvantaged group of people who are able to acquire housing that they might not have been able to acquire otherwise.
During that process, we have a chance to see what their work ethic looks like. Are they showing up for work on time? Are they responding to the training? And we get to know them over that time period. And the people who aren't ready to change are readily identifiable, and usually they don't make it through